Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Ctrader versus MetaTrader 5. So if you don't know what these two are, Ctrader is a trading platform developed by Spotware known for its sleek design, advanced charting tools, and institutional grade features. It supports manual, copy, and algorithmic trading using C hashtag. And then the MetaTrader 5 on the other hand is a widely used multi-asset platform developed by MetaQuotes. It's the successor to MT4 or MetaTrader 4 and supports Forex, stocks, futures, and algorithmic trading using MQL5. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Ctrader here. So the pros of it is that it is clean and intuitive. It has intuitive user interface, advanced charting, 54 timeframes and 9 chart types, built-in in-depth market of market or DOM, fast order execution, and supports C number for algo trading. Now the cons of it is that it has few brokers support it, smaller community for indicators and bots, and slightly higher trading commissions with some brokers. Now let's go over the pros and cons of MetaTrader 5 here. So the pros of it is that it supports more brokers globally, large community and resource base, multi-asset support, efficient backsetting tools, and hedging and netting options available. Now the cons of it is that it has outdated interface for some users. It uses MQL5, less beginner friendly than C hashtag or C number, and charting and UI less modern than Ctrader. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Ctrader if you want a modern, sleek platform with advanced charting and C hashtag support, ideal for tech-savvy traders, and choose MT5 if you prefer a widely supported, stable platform with a massive community, better for long-term usability and access to brokers. And that is basically it. That is the difference between Ctrader and MetaTrader 5. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.